So one of the first things that you notice when you try to put the things back in the box to store it is that it takes way less space, than the Quest, just generally speaking, the box and everything. But one is it only has one controller. We'll see if that impacts the quality of the performance. And the other thing is that the overall quality of the box itself is way flimsier than what you get on the Quest. So yeah, you can still fit everything in here. And also it's smaller than the Mirage Solo's configuration too. The Mirage Solo also only has one, so we'll see that. Just overall, the quality of the box that you get it in is cheaper. Probably not a big deal for most people, but just wanted to point it out. All right, thanks for watching and see you soon.